Whether you're a guy or a girl, nobody likes fine lines and wrinkles crisscrossing their face. And many of us, myself included, are not ready for injectable fillers and Botox. Fortunately, there are some products like Botox in a bottle that can actually, albeit temporarily, erase fine lines and wrinkles in a snap. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. Today we are talking about erasing fine lines and wrinkles. No Botox, no fillers, no injections, no skin peels, just straight out of the bottle or product onto the face to make these things disappear. Now, if you're new and you're not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson. I am a skincare expert for a long time. And on this channel, we talk about all things skincare products. We review ingredients. We talk about problems. We solve those. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, be sure and hit that subscription button and that tiny little notification bell so that you know when all these fabulous new videos are up each week. Okay, so understanding why fine lines and wrinkles actually look so obvious on our face is key to understanding how these lines and fillers can work. It's all about light, let me tell you. So since our skin is pretty much an evenly textured canvas, light rays reflect off of it. And like anything, light rays travel and go to different depths. So the further that they travel when they reflect back, the darker the area is going to look. So things like fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, deep lines, caves, depths of the ocean, all of those things that reflect back less light look darker. So fine line fillers and blurring products help light reflect back more evenly. It's also why so many of your favorite YouTubers and beauty influencers also use a lot of light when we film, because trust me when I tell you, without these lights, nobody looks the same. Now, there are tons of these products on the market, and normally on these videos, you guys know that I get products, I tear them apart, I rip them a new one, I look at ingredients, I tell you what to use, what to avoid, all of those things. But today, and because there are so many of them, I chose the top 5. So I've already looked at the formulas, so you can trust that these all meet at least my standards of something that I would recommend to you, and I've tested all of them at some point or other, so I trust what I'm telling you to work for you. Okay, so up first is Instant Illusion Wrinkle Filler, which is by Boots No. 7. It's part of their skincare line. That is something that you guys have followed me know I have reviewed in the past, that entire line, and it is on the channel. And so I'm very familiar with their formulations, and I chose this product because it's one of the best line fillers that you can use alone, or you can use it as a primer under makeup. It contains light diffusing particles that when applied to the skin help reflect, I always want to say refract, but it's reflect light back off of the surface of the skin, making it look even. And it shows through makeup because the particles mix with the makeup as you apply it, so you don't lose that effect. And the pros for this product for me is it's non-greasy and light, it works instantly, again, it can be applied under makeup, and of course, it's fragrance free. Okay, here's one for you organic and clean skincare purists. This formulation contains antioxidants and collagen boosting ingredients, so it's sort of a multitasking product. And that product is Angelo Naturals Deep Wrinkle Filler. Now, the pros are that it's obviously organic, non-GMO ingredients, which is a big deal for a lot of you guys that want very clean skincare. It combines the benefits of a serum along with a line filler, which makes it multitasking, and it's good across all skin types and all complexions. Now, this next line filler I want to tell you about was actually developed by some fellow estheticians. Clinical Difference Age Eraser Rapid Response Line Filler. And here we go again with these long-ass skincare product names. You guys know how much I love them. However, long name aside, the product is a really great formulation because it includes hyaluronic acid for moisturization along with products that will help firm and tighten your skin, which makes it really great for the areas around the eyes. And line fillers work very well on skin, but they do have a bit of a problem when it comes to the crow's feet that we get around our eyes, especially if they're deeper. And this product really does address that problem by not just filling in the line and reflecting the light back, but actually tightening the skin in that area. So the pros for this particular product are the fact that it's easy to apply, that I love the formulation, that it includes a moisturizing ingredient along with light reflecting ingredients. So it's multitasking and you can use it around your eyes. Next, I want to tell you about a line filler that's going to be from a brand that we all recognize, ROC, R-O-C, and it's very ridiculously named product. Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Facial Filler, and wait, there's more. Anti-aging treatment with hyaluronic acid and retinol. Just kill me now. Obviously, this product is formulated with several super-powered ingredients, and it's probably the closest thing to a skincare serum and a line filler combined in that it has hyaluronic acid, which is that molecule we talk about all the time that can attract 1,000 times its weight, so very good for skin throughout the day. And they included retinol, which is an anti-aging ingredient that's going to help with future wrinkles by reducing sun damage and lessening the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So the big pro for this one for me is that it addresses your fine lines, wrinkles in the short term by reflecting light, and it addresses them very well in the long term. Now, I do want to say here that anytime you're using a retinol product ever, you need to make sure you use sunscreen. Since one would assume that you're using a wrinkle filler during the day when it matters, although I'm sure there are some selfie queens that use it at night. But the reason it's important to use an SPF with retinol is for two reasons. The first reason is that when you use it during the daytime, UVA, UVB rays from the sunlight actually break the retinol down, which makes it less effective, somewhat ineffective, okay, useless, which is one of the big reasons that we recommend that you use retinols at night. And the second reason is because it can make your skin sun sensitive. Okay, moving on. Since I like multitasking skincare products, I chose to include Laboratories Paris Fuluriga Time Filler, which is actually formulated to do things for your skin across the board. That's crow's feet, deep lines, fine lines and wrinkles, texture, large pores. This product addresses it all. Now, as you might expect, a product that addresses it all is not going to be very inexpensive. And in fact, it is the most expensive product that I included in this group. However, it does a lot of things for your skin. It includes L-ascorbic acid version vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and tripeptide. So it is one of those products that has a lot of different ingredients in it that can go to work on your skin at the same time. Now, I do have one big negative, and it's only a negative if you're sensitive to it, and it is that it contains fragrance. Now, I'm not one of these YouTube skincare bashers, and I know there are a lot of big wigs out there on YouTube that beat the hell out of fragrance. However, fragrance isn't a problem for everyone. It's only a problem if it's a problem for you. So if you are sensitive to fragrance oils, essential oils, then you probably want to avoid this type of product and use something that is fragrance free. The other thing I didn't like is that they just list fragrance, which doesn't tell us anything. The FDA allows companies to use that word, and it can have up to 50 different components. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, please do the patch test on the inner part of your elbow to make sure it's not going to give you any issues. If you get itchy and red, even for just a few minutes after patch testing up to a whole day, then send the product back. It's not for you. As always, it's my goal to give you guys the most accurate and helpful skincare information that I can. I hope this video was helpful to you in deciding whether a line filler is something that will work for you or you should include it in your skincare routine. If the video was helpful, and again, I hope it was, please be sure and give it a like, comment below, ask me questions. I'd love to know that what I'm giving you is of value. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. You are absolutely wonderful. You rock. Stay amazing. Stay beautiful. And I'll see you over on the next video.